Hi guys, it's Brittany Creates here, and today I have the Brother SE700 unboxing. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we got a cover for your machine. You got the embroidery hoop. The power cable. Foot pedal. A baggie with a bunch of tools in it, scissors, cleaning things. Then we got another baggie. Let's take a look inside. So this is the embroidery foot. Came with a bunch of different sewing feet. And it came with some bobbins. Instruction manual. This is the part for the embroidery machine. Let's take it out of the wrapper. That's it. And this is the sewing / embroidery machine. Little storage area. Take this off. Let's see. How do you take this one off? It looks like it's set up for sewing. Have to get it set up for embroidery. So this just slides on right here. And it's all set up for embroidery. Well, now I gotta change the foot. So we'll make another video on how to set it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!